Okay, so you're going to select each expression that is equivalent to 5 parentheses 4 plus 6. So remember, equivalent means equal to. It has to equal the same. So, like we've been doing, you circle your house, you distribute out, you went trick-or-treating, your friend went trick-or-treating, and then now you got to sort your candy. 5 times 4, bring down that plus sign that's in the original problem, plus 5 times 6. Okay, you sorted your candy. Now let's put it together. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, then we add 20 plus 30 is 50. Okay, so now we're sitting over here looking for the ones that all look like what we have. So I see 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. I don't see that. 54 plus 56. Don't see that. 20 plus 30. Whoops, I see that. So I'm going to circle that. 5 times 4 plus 5 times 6. Oh, I see that. So I'm going to circle it. 5 plus 4 parentheses plus 6. I don't see that. So those are your two answers. That's DMR today. Simple and easy.